In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a document from Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or just looking for a refresher on how to save your documents offline, this concise guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, let's navigate to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in the URL for Docusign. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you aren't already. Now that you're logged into Docusign, look for the Agreements tab on the home page. This is where all your signed documents and pending agreements are conveniently stored. Click on Agreements, and you'll be taken to a page displaying a list of these documents. Once you're on the Agreements page, you'll need to find the specific document you wish to download. Scroll through the list until you see the document in question. Click directly on the document name to proceed. When you do so, you'll be directed to a detailed view or summary of that document. In this summary view, look for an icon that features an arrow pointing downward. This is the Download button. Clicking on it will give you access to download options. It's usually located in a readily visible spot to facilitate easy downloading. Upon clicking the Download button, you will be presented with several choices. You can opt to download all related documents or just select the specific ones you need. Additionally, there's an option to combine all the PDFs into a single file, which can be quite handy if you're dealing with a bulk of related documents and prefer to keep them together in one file. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and choose to combine all PDFs into a single file. By selecting this option, you're ensuring that all the relevant PDFs related to your agreement are merged into one cohesive document, making it easier to handle and share if needed. With the documents combined, you're now ready to finalize the download. Go ahead and click on Download. Your combined PDF will start downloading promptly and save to your default Downloads folder, unless specified otherwise by your browser settings. Make sure to keep track of where your file is being saved to make retrieval easier. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently download any document from Docusign, whether individually or as a part of a larger, combined file. This process not only ensures your files are safely stored on your device, but also provides an easy way to access and share your documents when offline. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more great tips on managing your digital documents.